Well, heads up if you travel Highway 32. This stretch of roadway here will be fully closed all week from Humboldt Road all the way to the Tehama County line. Now, crews are doing post-park fire emergency work, including tree removal and erosion control. The road will be closed Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. You will be able to get through during 3 scheduled half-hour openings at 10 a.m., noon, and 2 p.m. The work is expected to last 2 to 3 weeks, that is, depending on the weather.